sights and sounds of railroading. The open house for the Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society 2021. All aboard for action and fun. This is the Wabash caboose we just fixed up and finished restoring. And there is 765 moving by during throttle time. As you saw from the previous videos, I got to do that a few minutes ago. I just got down from the engine. I wanted to be able to take footage in the cab, but FRA rules limit that. And there's a lot to do to remember not to let the engine get out of control, because it builds speed as it goes. Later this year we'll have the reunion in Belleville, or Bellevue. And that's the shop where the magic happens.